Today we're gonna see a cooling and lighting feature for our sheds and even chicken aviary. Here we have two ceiling fans. Let me show you the other one. And they throw a nice breeze. Together with this we also have a light bulb. These are all 12 volts. We have one 12 and another one. They are 12 volts, as you can see, even the fans. And these lights throw up to 15 watts light. Regarding the fan, I'm gonna stop this one right now. We have a kill switch. And this is also 12 volts for those who have any doubts. Now I'm gonna show you the system of how I work this with a timer. Okay. So here we have a 50 watts panel connected directly to the solar controller. I'm gonna show you soon. So here we have the wires coming in, and sorry about the junk, but I'm not an electrician. But 12 volts it's easy to do. So they are connected directly to here, red and blue. This one is the batteries. I have two connected here. They are both 12 volts, they are connected together. And the last one is what we are gonna use outside their lights, fans, etc. This solar controller also comes with a handy 2-power USB. You can charge a phone or something else. So these fans and lights, they are connected both. Sorry about the dust, but as everybody knows, the chicken throw a lot of dust around from the soil, and so the dust comes around. We have two timers. From the very artistic diagrams we know that this is the fan timer and this is the light bulb timer. I'm not gonna describe how you connect them. Usually there is a leaflet inside. As I already said, I'm not an electrician, so here we have the timer. This is for the light bulb, and right now they are switched off. I'm gonna show you the program. The time now it's 14:48, and I'm gonna show you the program. Now these timers have a safety feature. It's so that you can't incidentally click anything by mistake. So today it's Sunday, and you can get the rest. So I'm gonna click 4 times the switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the timer is on. So we can see the program. They switch at 19:45 in the afternoon, and they switch off at 21:25. As you can see the dates, they are all included. You can set them up even or odd, or whichever day you wanna switch them on. And that's all the timer I have. I'm going back to the clock and I'm gonna switch the bulbs. Now obviously you won't see much a difference during daylight, but during the evening it's a good thing to have around. I'm gonna show you the lights. Don't forget to wear the eclipse glasses, but they are bright enough. Let me show you the other one. So these, they have a little bit of dust. Don't worry about it, I'll wash them. I'll show you how. One sec. I'll wash this plastic or just clean it with my fingers. And here we have the LEDs. The case is very good, so it spreads the light evenly. Let me hook it up. It just got some threads here and on there, and we just connect them together. As you can see, this dark spot went away and it's clean again. So this is locked again. We have to open it to remove the program from manual to automatic. The switch is an indicator, the LED, that it's off, and it's programmed back to automatic. We're gonna see the fan timer right now. Right now it's on, as we can see. It usually lights up on 1, 2, 3, 4, and it usually lights up from 9 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll switch it back, so it has a remaining about nearly 2 hours and 15 minutes to switch off. Now let's see the controller. As you can see, the battery, we have the solar, and from the to the battery we are receiving 13.9 volts. These lines will go down depending how much energy charge does the battery have, and so it seems with all the bright sun we have, it's coping well. So we have both fans on and it won't even budge a bit. As I already told you, I'm not an electrician, but it's an easy process to do. In fact, from all the wiring, you'll know that I'm not an electrician and I will never be one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.